How's it going, guys? Here we are. We got our two SRT8 300s. This one has 75,000 miles. This one has 150,000.
They're both 2007s and they both have salvage titles. This one we got first. This one we call the Beat 300 because it's not worth fixing. Let's go over some of the damage. The whole body was vandalized, bumper to bumper. It was keyed. The windows smashed. The interior is pretty beat up. It was severely vandalized. Every piece is cut up. The radio was smashed in. Speedometer was smashed in. It's pretty much only useful for parts. Got some missing trim. It looks like they did a low quality, some kind of black paint job over the original red. This bumper has a crack on it, but it might be fixable. But we're still missing this trim piece here. Check out the roof. It's pretty dented in. Someone was jumping up and down. This one we bought because we have this one to fix it. This one got a salvage title. As far as we can see, it's only from the cross member is damaged from bottoming out, and we got a dent over here on this door.
We're just gonna take the door off of this one, put it onto this one, call it a day.
Bumper's cracked over here in one other spot, should be fixable. The interior on this one's pretty clean, except it smells, but you can't tell that through the video.
Alright guys, she sounds pretty good even though she's beat.
You gonna fire this bad boy up?
This one, she's not as loud, but
It's gonna be when the exhaust gets swapped over from that one to this one.
surprisingly none of the horns work on either of the cars. I don't know what's up with that.
So we're going to take the K-member from that car, we're going to take the door from that car, put it into this, maybe a couple other small pieces if needed, and that car is going to be parted out. We're going to keep the engine for a turnkey pallet to go in a resto mod or something, we don't know yet.